Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to create a new Google Sheet or spreadsheet on Google Spreadsheet. So first thing we have to do is just open the Google Sheets here. And after that, you just need to decide which account or which email drive that you want to create the files to. You can just click this symbols to like choosing the account that you want to use for saving the files. And after you're done choosing the account, you can just go click this plus button over here. And after that, you just need to click new spreadsheets. After that, you will be need to go click a file name for the files. You just need to type for example, a task, since we want to make a task in a Google Sheets. And after that, you just need to click create. And that's all the way how to create a new spreadsheet on a Google Sheet. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you and guide you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.